Hey guys, I'm Jessica Bruce.
And I'm Nicole O'Sullivan with the O'Sullivan Bruce Group.
We are standing here today at 932 Brookhaven, the lake's most exclusive luxury listing.
Let's go check it out.
As you step inside 932 Brookhaven, you're met with stunning upgrades and custom finishes throughout.
The kitchen is built for a chef with high-end commercial appliances.
Up next is the stunning master suite with your own personal private entry, two-story elevator to my left.
And if this suite wasn't sweet enough, look at this, your own personal spa. Where is Jessica?
Hey, slowpokes! Could have taken the elevator and gone the fast way. Come on! The lower level fireplace has an oversized gas burning fireplace and patio near the lakeside, making for an inviting fire pit to complement the setting.
You'll never get bored in bad weather in this bunker.
Dang, you guys caught me. I was just trying to get in a quick round of the Predator. Thanks so much for taking the time to tour this exclusive waterfront home with us. I'm Jessica Bruce.
I'm Nicole O'Sullivan with the O'Sullivan Bruce Group. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 573-302-2340, or you can visit us online at searchlakeozarkhomes.com.
Oh, stop playing Gallagher.
Sorry.
You got property to tour. You caught me. I could honestly play this all day.